Alright, hi, what's up you guys? I haven't seen you in a while. Can you guess why? It's because I have a baby. You got it. Alright, sorry. Um, no, I'm sorry for like abandoning my channel for a while. It just got to be too much with my anxiety, my depression, and having a baby. But I'm back with a giveaway. So, stuff equals apology. You can't be mad at me now. That was horrible. Sorry again. Okay, so, oh, she's so pretty. I got two of the palettes, the Jaclyn palettes, volume 2. All right. One is for you guys, and I'll let you know how to enter in a little bit. This is the inside of the palette, just stunning and beautiful. That gold. Oh my gosh, every single color I love. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And I like the white, off-white shade. I don't want to touch it. I literally don't want to touch it. I think I'm going to do swatches first. I'm just going to swatch some of the shimmers and some of the colors. First off, I'll swatch I'm in it. So I'm just going to swirl around, and each one I'll just swirl around a few times. And, oh, I just dug my thumb into one of them. I dug it into Palo. That's the yellow, very vibrant and pretty. There's an orange one by it that's called Feeling Myself. Let's go this way. There's another, there's a Positivity. That's a pretty, they're all pretty. I'm gonna stop saying they're pretty. Oh, very nice. Very good formula. There's another orange that says My Man. Oh, these are beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm going to, Therapy Sesh looks so pretty to me, so I'll swatch that one too. And then I'm just gonna get into palette before my daughter does not let me do anymore. Are they okay? Jeez, I can't do anything. This gold is beautiful. Talia, the gold, oh my god, so pretty. It's like metal, oh my gosh. Then there's Ride or Die Men's. She's got all these like little thingies. Alright, and that's a highlight topper. Beautiful. Drama Queen. I can't stop swatching them. I need to stop, but like I can't. Swatch the True Red Living My Best. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna wash this off. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a sunset look. I can't zoom in, but I guess I can edit that. I won't be getting the Jeffree Star palette. In my opinion, just Jaclyn's has a better range. All these colors are so beautiful. She did a good job, it seems like, too, but we'll see. And Jeffree's palette, it's just like a bunch of purpley pinkish highlights. A couple purples, and like a weird green of what I remember. And I would want to see like purples from the lavender, pastel, neon, every type of purple you could imagine. Some purple highlight, maybe some golds, or maybe some highlighty golds and stuff. I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. I don't want to, I might do a voiceover because I don't want to edit too much. That's one of the reasons I stopped recording, honestly. It was just too much, and it got to be just too much and I couldn't do it. So I'm probably going to plump my lips, and I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow, and I'll do a voiceover when it's needed, but I will do close-ups and stuff like that. So still stick around and see what eye look I do, even though it's probably on the front cover. Maybe not. All right. not my journey. I just put that on the end. All right, I'm gonna pack No Joke on the inner corner. For God so loved the world that he gave his only son. I'll do my man, and then to blend it, I'll be filling myself also. Now I'm gonna go into Tipsy Girl. I saw Nikki Tutorials talking about like Fallout, and she was like, sounding a little bitter. She was like, there's a group of you that, you know, just don't, that really mind Fallout from eyeshadows. Because when ABH had a palette with Fallout, y'all went crazy. So that's it so far. Literally, this is so fun. So fun. It's so easy to work with. It is blending beautifully. By the way, alright, for the giveaway, subscribe, like this video, comment your Instagram down below, follow my Instagram. All this will be linked below. So all you gotta do is go to the links. I'm at Sarah_Brigida on Instagram. I'm at NotABeautyGuru7 on TikTok. So follow me there. I mean, if you could share this video, it'd be nice, but you don't have to. And like my Instagram post about this giveaway. So, and make sure you leave your Instagram name below or else you're not entered. So I will, that's it. All right, and you get a palette when you win. I'm going to be doing more giveaway. I have some good ass skincare and makeup to give away. Like, I got a lot that's built up that I can give away. So just stick around, wait for more giveaways. I've been thinking about doing these same raffles just to kind of get rid of stuff for cheaper and give people a chance to get maybe expensive stuff that they wouldn't be able to get. But then also a part of me is like, oh, I used to hate when people were doing raffles. But then maybe it's just me being bitter too. Ooh, Heart On. Okay, I have to try Heart On. It's the matte red. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Should I use it on the other eye? Should I use it down below? I'm using some down below here. Oh my gosh, beautiful. I got a heart on for this color. I'm gonna put some at the end here. Oh, it's beautiful. Man, I want to use all these, but then I know I can't. I'm going to put the darkest red, Living My Best. I'm going to put that at the very outer, under my eyes, at the very outer corner. And on the top corner just a little. I'm going to get a smaller brush actually. And this is a Morphe too. And I'm gonna kind of pack it and blend it with the same brush. You know what? This color is too good. I think I'm gonna go over the pink with it. Yeah, I'm going over the pink with it. It's too good. And then I'm gonna put the red all the way at the end. Like, that red is just too beautiful. I love it. Oh God. Bravo, Jaclyn. And bravo for taking all the hate, because I know she messed up. She messed up bad, but she took that hate like a champ. Like, she came back. It may seem like she hid and all that, but if you had people like giving you death threats and talking to you like you were just trash and like horrible, and all your subscribers turned against you, and like, what was I gonna say? I mean, and talking about your weight, if you gained weight or any type of super sensitivity you had about your body, and they're just zooming in on that, trying to poke it, you know? Would you come back to the internet and still make videos? And, you know, I don't think I would. I think I would have gave up, and I think I'd be in depression for months. Especially because she had such a failure too. I don't know. I got a lot of respect for her, so. Alright. I'm gonna go into that red again. And I'm just taking basically the same colors, putting them in the same spots, but I'm using my fingers and blending it in. And then take this brush again, and I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna mix Stay True and Not My Journey. Those are the two purples. There is like colors in here to help blend. There's like so much to help you blend and transition, and a lot of these colors already blend good. It's just a beautiful palette. I really like it. The gold wasn't working how I thought it would. For me, there's not a good highlight for this look, so we're gonna close that. We're gonna line the eyes. I'm gonna plump my lips. This eyeliner turned on me. What did I do to you? It's good eyeliner too. It just, I don't know if this is a bad one or what. So I'm really liking that. I do want to add some highlight. I'm going to use Artist Couture in Purple Dream. And I'm going to do the other eye. I'll put some lashes on. Right now that's how it looks. Very pretty. I love it. And stay tuned for the whole look. It will be right now. I'll never remember to do that. Okay, bye. Alright, it's really late. I finished the look. I started to do this thing where I lined my cut crease, and I went all wrong because it was so pretty. The look was so pretty before I did that. So I don't know. I think I could still like take a picture in this and make it look pretty, maybe. I don't know. I want to go to bed though, so make sure to enter that giveaway. I'm really excited I can give away that palette. What the heck is the date? Hold on. Okay, so the contest will end on the 25th. That is a week from now. I just set the date now, so that'll work. I'll pick a winner. Oh, it's US only. I should have said that before, but I'm sure I'll put it up like in text. I gotta go to sleep. Let me know if you still like this, even though I kind of screwed it up. I don't know. Ugh, I hate my neck. Oh, it's my anniversary today. My husband and I's anniversary, so I gotta get to sleep, get all this off, and get up early tomorrow. It's 1 a.m. right now, and I'm really bad at going to sleep because of the anxiety and depression and stuff. So hopefully I can do that, so I don't make them wait around while I'm trying to get ready and all that. All right, I'm gonna go. Love you guys. Bye.